Yo, hello guys. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Wow, this is just wow. I just clicked 10k subscribers today, and I'm using this medium to appreciate you guys for all you've been doing. Right from me being at just one subscriber to 10,000 subscribers. It's been a bumpy ride. It's not all that It's not that free for me, but glory be to God, we finally hit 10k subscribers, and it wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Thanks so much. I really appreciate that. So behind the camera now, my name is Reflex Image. Sorry, that's my brand name. My name is Olion David, popularly known as Reflex Image, and I'm the face behind the brand. So as you all know, I don't usually show my face whenever I'm creating any content, but it's just to show my appreciation to you guys. I'm very happy. Uh, I'm just clicking thank you subscribers today. I've actually started this channel in early late 2020. Uh, so now let me just tell you a brief story about myself. I became a manipulator and I came about this YouTube channel. So in the early 2020, that was during the COVID period. So I told my parents I want to learn photography, which they actually enrolled me into a place for me to learn. So during the process, I fell in love with what we call smudge painting. Yeah, that's smudge painting. So I just creating the channel. I just created the channel for fun. It was actually I wasn't planning on creating a channel for popularity or anything. I'm the social type then, so I just love going online. I love people creating content, so I just love creating content also. So that's why I came about my channel. So during the process, then I mixing my photography work with it. So I just decided to add a little bit of photography stuff inside my videos also. But the reason why I became my manipulator is that you know any tool that has to do with photography or videography, they are quite expensive, very expensive. Buying the cameras, the camera these days, damn, they are fucking expensive. Now let's talk about the lens. The lens is damn expensive also. After that, you have to get your light set up, and you want to go for high-end lights like the AD Pro, the AD series that has backup, that has batteries. So the AD, you have to buy the light. After that, then you have to get your backgrounds, props and stuff. Got so getting the props and stuff like that. You can't get everything. You can't get all the gadgets you need in this our field of study, our field of work. I also call it a field of study because we have a lot to learn here. So getting all that are quite expensive, and also moving it all around, they are also damn stressful. So that's the major reason why I just went into manipulation and I start manipulating picture. So I learned through the process. So I learned how to bring in other backgrounds, other props and stuff, chairs, table, to make picture look nice on after during the editing process. So someone might not be able to tell the difference. It's either the picture is being taken like that in the studio, or it was actually manipulated. So that was the goal of me going into manipulation. So I just decided to create a channel to help other photographers that are struggling photographers like me, startup photographers like me. So to help them achieve what they'll actually need for that. So to get a nice edited pictures. So that was what motivated me into creating a manipulated picture. Who of lies? Thank you, brother. So, as you're saying, so creating the channel now is just to help you guys learn manipulation just like I do, and create nice content also. So it doesn't matter the camera that you shoot with, it doesn't matter the type of system you're using, as long as your system can actually install Photoshop, then you're good to go. So that's just all you need on your PC. Then you can get started on the manipulation. So now, me hitting 10k subscribers now, I'll be giving out free files for you guys. Files worth of 10,000 naira. materials, the PNG, some of my lot files and preset also. So what you just need to do is just to subscribe and also share with your friends. There might be someone that is in need of this video. It's actually going to motivate them in a way or the other. Here is my plan for the new year. Yeah, because I actually call that a new year now. 10,000. Wow. This is kind of fucking amazing. I can't believe it. 10,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Like, seriously means a lot to me. I wasn't even expecting to get this far. There was a time I even actually tried to quit. I'm fucking tired. But I keep on creating because you guys keep watching my videos. So I have no choice than to keep creating content. Yeah. So you are the guys, you are the motivation behind my content creation. And I'm kind of finding journeying these days. So do well to keep watching my videos, share with friends. There are tons of people that are out there that are here to see my video, and I know they will learn a thing or two from it. So kindly share with them. It's actually going to help them improve a lot. They might kind of pick up a thing or two there. So here's my new year calendar. Firstly, I will be creating a live class. Yeah, a seminar class. It take place in starting from Ibadan because that's the closest to my location right now. So we're doing Ibadan. From Ibadan we have to move down to Lagos. From Lagos we have to go to Abuja and stuff. So after that, sorry if you are outside Nigeria, sorry guys, I don't think there's any class holding outside Nigeria for now. But I promise you guys we have to meet very soon. On this day, one day we are going to meet. I promise you guys that. So just keep watching my videos, keep practicing, and definitely one day you get there. I also started from somewhere. So let me show you some of the previous work I did while I just started. So that should be displaying right now. So it's not just that I just get here in just a single day. It's not a day job, it's not a month job, it's not even a year job. This means 3 years, 3 good years into the business right now. So many people just come into the business these days and they just want to make it under a month, under 2 months. Yeah, it might be possible because our brains are different from one another. So you can easily assimilate things while others can't. So that doesn't mean you can also get there. So with tons of practice and dedication, one day you also get there. So just keep practicing, keep creating, and also you guys will be saying, I don't want to copy other people's content. I don't want to do this and that. As a beginner photographer, you actually have to get your own content from other photographers because you can't be all that creative. No man is an island. So you can actually just pick up few things and add your own to it and create a content with it. So try to be creative in whatever you do. Try to be creative in whatever you do. So as I was saying, my first plan is to create a seminar class, a live seminar class. I'm going to plan with some other photographers that are located within the region I just made mention of. So if you're in Ibadan, if you're in Lagos or Abuja, just slide into my DM right now. So let's talk and fix a schedule for that. So for those outside Nigeria, I'm sorry for now. I don't think there will be any class scheduled for you guys. So probably very soon we are going to work on that. So then we'll be creating a Zoom class also for you guys to actually learn from also. So the Zoom class is going to be free. I'll be giving you some free practice material. So my gift for you guys, it's in this 10k subscriber. I'll be giving you 10k worth of file. I'll drop the link in my Google Drive. Or okay, let me drop it in my Telegram group. Go join my Telegram group today so I can go and get it there. And also share this video with someone that might be in need of it. You might not know, someone might be in need of it. So that's just it. Once again, thank you guys. I'm very happy for just clicking this 10k subscriber. And one other detail, I'll be dropping a video course very soon. So the video course is going to entail firstly light setup, then background manipulation, and also some other things which I won't be disclosing right now. So you actually need to get that video course. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help your photography career a lot. And also I'll be adding some advanced things again in the video course. And one last thing, I'll be creating a vlog very soon, a video log. Yeah, I'll be creating a video log, or let's just call it a podcast relating to photography and stuff. So The broadcast is going to entail some other things apart from manipulation, a life of a photographer, and I'll be inviting some other photographers over also so that I can do the podcast together and share ideas with you guys and stuff like that. So hoping the video gets to go far so that we can just prepare for it. And once again, if you are a marketer, you sell any photography gadgets, backdrop and stuff, so you can actually just come to my DM now. I can actually create a promotional videos for you and post on my channel. Someone might be in need of it, especially people that sell camera. And you must be a trustworthy source because I'm going to expect before I can post anything on my channel to avoid any misunderstanding, to avoid any theft or whatsoever. So that's all for today, guys. One love, guys. Hoping to see you guys on my channel soon and soon enough. Love you.